Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to solve a random problem from Lehigh University. So the problem states a drink is 1/3 syrup and the rest is water. If 6 ounces of water were added, it would become 20% syrup. How many ounces of total liquid, water plus syrup were in the original mixture? So if you want to try this problem, you can give it a try. You can pause this video. And when you're ready, keep watching and see how to solve this problem. So the problem is actually simple. So it is perhaps this is the simplest problem I ever seen in a competitive setting of mathematics because somehow this problem can be found on schools or like in examinations, like for example for grade 8 students. So for this problem, we will take this in a simple manner. So we will just let the liquid be, the volume of the liquid be V. Okay, I'm just going to decrease the brush radius. Here we go. It's going to be the volume. Now, okay, still big. Here we go. I'm just going to erase. So V be the volume. Now, it says there in the problem, so case 1. So obviously you can say there are two cases. So this is before 6 ounces is added, and the case 2 will be after 6 ounces is added. So obviously, the volume is still V. Here, it says here that 1/3 syrup, so there is 1/3 syrup, so 1/3 of V plus the water is 2/3 of the syrup. So we're just going to make it blue or something like this. 2/3 of V. So this is going to be the syrup one, and this is going to be the water one. Now, case 2. We're going to case 2. So this is the after. So obviously, um, volume become V plus 6 because you're adding 6 ounces to the mixture, and we know that V must be written in ounces. So it says here the syrup will become 20%. But let us convert that into fraction. So that is 20 over 100 to it becomes 2/10, and finally in lowest terms it becomes 1/5. So obviously the water will become 4/5. So we have 1/5 of syrup plus again 1 minus 1/5 of V or 4/5. So we're just going to focus on water. Since if I'm going to add 6 ounces of water to the mixture, obviously, the percentage of syrup decreases. So obviously, the mixture becomes more diluted. Now, so I'm just going to grab these values. So the problem will be like 2/3. Okay, I'm just going to use color blue. So 2/3 of the volume plus 6 ounces, uh, the fraction becomes um 4/5. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. It must be V plus 6. So becomes 4/5 of V plus 6. Now, in order to eliminate these denominators, we're going to multiply both sides by 3 and 5. I repeat, if you want to get rid of the denominators, you will get rid of, you will multiply both sides by 3 and 5. So, if I'm going to simplify both sides, the left-handed side will become 10v plus 90. On the other side, it becomes 12v plus 72. Now, I want you to prove why this is true. But let us proceed to the problem. So, this side, this equation is already simpler. So we're just going to combine like terms. So I'm going to transfer 12v to the other side. So it becomes 10v minus 12v. Same for 90 because it's a constant and 72 is also a constant. We're going to combine them. So it becomes 72 minus 90. Now, we're going to simplify. So both sides become negative 2v and negative 18 respectively. Now we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1 half since the inverse of 2 is negative 1 half. Now we're going to simplify again and our final becomes 9 ounces. And here you go. This is the final answer of this random problem. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and see you on the future uploads.